On a remote island on the other side of the Indian Ocean, 3,000 miles from the search area, a piece of metal washes up on a beach, and it looks like it comes from an aircraft. In July 2015, a council worker on Reunion Island, a French territory in the Indian Ocean, stumbles upon an unusual object on a beach. It's called a flapperon. There is one on each wing of a Boeing 777, part of the mechanism that makes it rise or fall. Boeing quickly confirms that its serial number matches that of the missing plane.